So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to recover deleted notes here on the Apple Notes application. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go into this folder right here and create a new note. So this is my new note. There you go. There's the masterpiece right there. It's in there. Let's say you go ahead and you were to delete it. So swipe and press delete. To recover it, it's pretty simple. Go back to the main screen here. Under where it says on my iPhone in this case, there's a section that says recently deleted. Go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and hold the note if you want. And you can go ahead and press move, or you can go to the top right, press edit, press the select it right here, then press move in the bottom left. Then you can select where you want to move the note. So in this case, I'm going to move it to on my iPhone. I'm going to move it down to the YouTube tab or the YouTube thing that it just was. So if I were to go back here to the main screen, go on YouTube, and this is my new note, it is now recovered. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to recover deleted notes on Apple Notes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.